Kruger National Park, a vast, wild sanctuary in the heart of South Africa. Spanning more than 20,000 square kilometers, it is larger than some countries. Home to one of the world's greatest concentrations of wildlife. It's here, in the early morning stillness, that our story unfolds. We're stopped on a quiet dirt road, the sun barely above the horizon. Engines off, radios silent. The bushveld feels untouched. Then, movement. Out of the mopane trees, lions emerge. First one lioness, then another. Young cubs tumble after them, playful but cautious. A full pride, moving with grace and purpose. They walk directly toward us, unbothered by the vehicles. We sit perfectly still. They pass beside our safari truck, so close we can hear their breathing. Our guide whispers, "To them, we're just another shape, a rock, a tree. Break that shape, and they'll take notice." Then comes the patriarch, a massive male, his mane darkened by age and dust. He limps, his right hip damaged, likely from a brutal territorial battle. And yet, he commands respect. He pauses to mark a bush, declaring the space as his own. Lions are the only truly social cats among the feline species. A pride is a complex family structure, mothers, daughters, sisters. They hunt together, raise cubs together, and mourn together. Male lions often live in coalitions. Brothers or close allies who take over a pride and defend it from rivals. But it's the lionesses who maintain the lineage. They are the constant, the backbone of the pride. Cubs are raised communally, nursed by any female with milk. The pride protects them, plays with them, and teaches them. Every lion matters. In Kruger, more than 1,500 lions roam across 40 or more prides. Each pride can require over 200 square kilometers of territory. Space is survival. Back on the road, the lions move around us without fear. We are guests in their domain. It's a rare, humbling privilege. And then, almost as one, they decide it's time. The pride begins to turn, retreating into the brush. Their curiosity was satisfied.